Welcome! In this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of the GreenBeast software. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to install it, set it up, connect your API, and generate high-quality PNG images with ease. Let's get started. Before using GreenBeast, make sure you have a Windows PC or laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. You'll also need an image generation API because GreenBeast uses external AI providers to create images. Currently, GreenBeast supports 3 different APIs. The first, and the best option, is Recraft. It produces the highest quality images with excellent consistency. However, it is also the most expensive option. The second option is Runware AI. This is the API I recommend for most users. It offers great image quality at a much lower cost, making it perfect if you're planning to sell PNG bundles on Etsy or other marketplaces. The third option is Together AI. This is the provider I'll be using throughout this tutorial. While the image quality isn't as strong as the other two, it's the most affordable option and is perfect for beginners who are just getting started. Before you can use GreenBeast, you'll need to purchase the software from Gumroad. After purchasing, you'll receive your license key, which is required to activate the software. Once you've downloaded GreenBeast, install it and launch the application. I've already installed it, so I'll open it now. The first screen you'll see is the activation window. Simply enter your license key, click Activate, and your software will be ready to use. Now, let's configure the software. Open the settings page and add the API key for the provider you've chosen. If you don't already have an API key, visit the provider's official website, create an account, log in, and generate your API key. I'll show you how to get an API key for each provider, so just follow along on the screen. After adding your API key, click the test button inside GreenBeast. If you see a successful connection message, you're ready to start generating images. Now we need image prompts. For this tutorial, I'll visit Etsy and find a PNG bundle. I'll take a screenshot of one of the images and upload it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will analyze the design and generate similar prompts for me. Once all of the prompts are ready, return to GreenBeast and create a new project. Paste all of your prompts into the project. Then click the Add to Queue button. Every prompt will be added to the generation queue automatically. Next, choose your preferred AI provider and select the model you want to use. Now, click Start. GreenBeast will begin generating all of your images one by one. As each image is completed, you'll see a preview inside the software. If you're not happy with a specific image, you can regenerate only that image, edit its prompt, or regenerate the entire batch with a single click. Now, let's continue, and I'll show you the complete PNG bundle that GreenBeast generated from these prompts.